Hi guys, this is so last minute, but I am participating in the 4th annual Wood Entertaining and Decorating Ideas. It's an open invite collaboration hosted by Styling with Gigi Faison, Juani's House, and Shawni on the Spot. And this will be my first year participating in this. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what I put together very quickly. So I'm going to start off with this wood charger that I have. I got this charger years ago from Pier 1 when I lived in Atlanta, Georgia in 2004. Wow, that charger is pretty old. Then I'm going to next take this wood candle holder. And I just added a few floral pieces right on the side. I'm going to add this right down at the bottom. I was about to retire for the night when I saw Home Decor N More say that there was an open collaboration for something wood entertaining. And I thought, why not? I can put something together very quickly, and that's exactly what I did. And I'm taking my pumpkin here that says bless, and I'm going to put it right in front. I'm going to take my other couple of pumpkins. See, I got my little relaxing robe on, and like I said, I was almost retiring for the night. I'm going to take my sage green pumpkin and put it behind there. You all know I love my sage green. Taking a pine cone, and I'm going to put the pine cone right over here. Take the other pine cone, put it right there. And I'm taking this one and putting it right there. See how fast, quick, and easy that was? And let me take you where you can get a close-up look. That was so simple and so quick. I am growing my channel, and so anytime I have an opportunity to participate in an open collab for anything that I can do, I want to join in, guys. Thank you so much for watching this short impromptu video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Estelle Creative Designs, please just hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you can be notified of all the videos that I upload, because I just moved into a beautiful apartment and I am creating DIYs as well as decorating this apartment. The next couple of things that I'm working on, I'm going to try to bring the boycott to you this week that you all been waiting on for months, probably almost a year now. I'm going to get that boycott up and done, guys. I'm also working on some candle holders, some more beautiful wall decor. So you definitely want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss one video of mine. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed night.